Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Saiful Islam Mazumdar from Mazumdar Institute. Here today we are going to complete a project named non-contact sensor project with the temperature sensor LM35. So this is the code. At the first row of the code, I have included the liquid crystal display library, and I have indicated the pins of Arduino I've used. This is note that I used Arduino Uno for the project. So I've taken float for temperatures in centigrade and temperature in Fahrenheit, and the temperature pin O for analog sensor input. And in bird setup, LCD begin 16:2 is used because the display is 16:2, 16 column and 2 display. And for print and cursor setup, I have written the temperature A and temperature B that will be static on display. And in void loop, the main function is for temperature C. At first we'll take the analog grid in temperature C, as we declared above as temperature pin. For centigrade temperature, the low is temperature C. That means the analog grid from the sensor, product of 5 and 100, and is divided by 124. So this law is to get the value of sensor in temperature. And for Fahrenheit, the analog input is make the product of 9 and divided into 5 with plus 32. So the result will be the Fahrenheit temperature. And in the next line, LCD set cursor, we have set the cursor on 6th column, first row. Here the centigrade temperature will be printed, and for temperature in Fahrenheit, we'll take the cursor at 6th column and second row. This is note that for first row the digit is 0, and for second row digit is 1. So the value will change in 1000 millisecond. And this is the setup I have done with Arduino Uno breadboard and 16:2 LCD monitor. The circuit diagram and the code will be provided below the video so that you can download from there. So let's check it. So I am loading the program to the Arduino. Okay. Okay, the program is uploaded, and the temperature is showing that 48 degrees centigrade, and temperature B, that means in Fahrenheit. So the initial temperature is showing that 58, 57 degree centigrade and 134 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, let's have a warm touch with the sensor. Here is the sensor LM35. I am using soldering iron to heat it up. Okay, so with the heating, the temperature has raised to, okay, let's continue this. The temperature is rising 86, 87, 80, 94 degrees centigrade. At the same time, the Fahrenheit temperature is showing 226, 93, and it's varying with the variation of temperature. So if we remove the soldering iron from closer of the sensor, the temperature will fall down. Okay, we are seeing the temperature is falling. For good looking, we can make a beautiful setup with PVC sheet or something else, what do you want. But this is the raw program and setup for sensing temperature without touching anything, just making the sensor close to any object. That's it. Thank you for watching.